Down here at the shred quarters today. 110, shock seals, and for the front forks. All right, so here's the 110. Boom, super leaky, all over the place, leaving marks on the ground. These puppies are gonna be in there, holding all that in so that we don't have any more nasty stuff on the ground and we can actually use the bike right. There we go. 17 for the top to drain the oil. Then we disassemble down at the bottom with the 6 mil. Alright, there's a washer, a spring, and a sleeve. That's all that's inside of these puppies. Now time to unscrew. Alright, now that they're off and all cleaned off, 6 millimeter, loosen it up, start the disassembling process. And now there's a metal C-clip. Weird little grooves, that's fun. Blown. Wiper down, reassemble. 5.5 fluid ounces. All locked down. Ready to reinstall. Well, as you can see, she's running again. You can see no bleedage so far. Sweet. So yeah, let's hit the track. Woo.